everyone. In this part, we will discuss about Pythagorean triplet. So, if three natural numbers a, b, c, if three natural numbers satisfy the condition is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Okay, if three natural numbers satisfy this condition, then the three natural numbers are said to be form a Pythagorean triplet. Let us take an example to discuss more about Pythagorean triplet. So, as you see, 3, 4, 5. These three are the natural numbers. Now, first of all, we find the square of these three numbers. Square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25. Clear? When we add the square of 3 and 4, the answer is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25, which is equal to 5 square. So that's why 3, 4, 5 forms a Pythagorean triplet. मतलब अगर किसी दो नंबर्स का स्क्वायर करने के बाद उनका हम सम फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो वो तीसरे नंबर के स्क्वायर के इक्वल आता है, तो वो क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट. क्लियर? लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. 8, 15 and 17. Find the square of 8 is equal to 64. Square of 15 is equal to 225 and square of 17 is equal to 289. Clear? So add these two. When we add the sum of these two, 64 plus 225 is equal to 289, which is equal to the square of 17. So as you see, the square of sum of square of two numbers is equal to the square of third number. So these three numbers form Pythagorean triplet. So there exists a Pythagorean triplet for any natural number. But remember that natural number is greater than a. 1. Suppose a is any natural number and it is greater than 1. Then there exist 3 Pythagorean triplet. Which one? That are 2a, a square minus 1, a square plus 1. You have to just put the values of a here and you find you get 3 Pythagorean triplet. Okay. For example, let us take value of a is equal to 3. So put here 2a is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 6. A square minus 1 is equal to 3 square minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. A square plus 1. 3 square minus plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So these three are the Pythagorean triplet. So remember that first of all the condition is a is always greater than 1. Then there exist 3 Pythagorean triplet. There exist these Pythagorean triplet and you have to just put the values of a here. Let us check that these numbers are Pythagorean triplet or not. Forms कि ये तीनों नंबर्स पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म करते हैं या नहीं करते. तो देखो स्क्वायर ऑफ 6 इज 36, स्क्वायर ऑफ 8 इज 64 and square of 10 is 100. Now we add these two. 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 is equal to 100, which is equal to 10 raised to power 2. So that's why these three natural numbers form the Pythagorean triplet. Next is Patterns of perfect squares. The numbers which can be arranged as dot pattern in squares are called square numbers. As you see that these numbers are arranged in dot patterns but in square. So these are called square numbers. Here 1 square 1. So total dots are 4 and these square, dots form square. So the as you see the number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 4. So in this way they form a square and these pattern is known as square numbers. So as you see 2 square 4. Similarly here 3 rows and 3 columns. So 3 and 3 makes 9 and it forms square. Similarly here 4 square 16. So similarly the numbers that can be arranged as a dot pattern in triangles are called triangular numbers. तो जो डॉट पैटर्न्स ट्रायंगल फॉर्म में है उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे, ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स. नाउ what these dots represent? These represent the sum of first natural numbers. For example, if we want to find the sum of one number is 1. ठीक है. If we want to find the sum of first two number 1 and 2, when we add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, its answer is 3 na. So as you see that these dots are arranged in triangle form, so these dots make 3. Now these dots arranged in triangular form, that is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these represent the sum of first 3 natural numbers. Let us check 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, which is equal to 6. So similarly this represents the sum of 4 natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Clear? So nth triangular number is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. You can just put the value of n here and find out the answer. Clear? For example, if I put here 2. So 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So sum of first 2 natural number is equal to 3. So our answer is right now. In this way we can find the sum of first n natural numbers. Similarly, addition of two consecutive triangular numbers forms a square number. Now these are triangular numbers, and when we find or when we add these two consecutive triangular numbers, ठीक है, तो then we get the square number. For example, these two are consecutive triangular numbers, and when we add these, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is the square of 2 na. ठीक है. So similarly, if we add these two consecutive triangular numbers, then it is equal to 9, which is the square of 3. So similarly, in this way we can find the square number from addition of two consecutive triangular numbers. Next is, in between two consecutive square numbers n square and n plus 1 whole square, there exist two n non-perfect square numbers. What it means? Means कि अगर हमारे पास कोई भी दो consecutive square numbers हैं, for example 2 and 3, ठीक है, ये दोनों क्या है, consecutive square numbers हैं. ठीक है. So when we find the square of these number, answer is 4 and 7, 4 and 9 sorry. ठीक है. तो अब इसके बीच में जो नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है वो कितने नंबर्स होंगे, चेक करो. 5 6 7 and 8. how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there na. So how can we find it directly? By 2 into n, when we multiply value of n with 2. So here value of n is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, answer is 4, which is the same. So in this way we can find the non-perfect square between two consecutive square numbers. Okay, as you see the example, n square and n plus 1 whole square. Here n square is 2 and we can write 3 as a 2 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3 square. So n square and n plus 1 whole square. ठीक है, तो इनके बीच में हमारे पास नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर कैसे आएंगे? 2n. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 and 2, अगर हम इनका स्क्वायर करते हैं और कितना आएगा? 1 का स्क्वायर 1 और 2 का स्क्वायर 4, तो इसके बीच में कितने नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है? 2, 3. दीज 2 आर, यही 2 है ना, इसके अलावा तो कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. तो कितने नंबर आ गए? 2. अगर हम डायरेक्ट देखें बाय द फॉर्मूला 2n, हियर वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 1, so 2 multiplied by 1, answer is